Good morning, dear student. Today we will teach about logic gate. What are the logic gate? The logic gate are an electronic device or a system which works on base of on and off like a switch. Here another way we can say that, for example, if a signal it comes to any gate for process, and there will be only the one answer of this. It said that it is high, then we say 1. Here output comes out. Here after the processing we will have 0 or 1. The means of that, here will be high or lower. So this system or this process is called logic gate. In physics, there are the three fundamental logic gate: AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate or inverter gate. So, what is the basic functions and the arithmetic operations of AND gate? Here we can see that the AND gate is nothing but just add two conclusions here. For example, we can see here, yeah, here we can see that when one is x input and another is y, when both x and y are 0 0, mean of that both are in low conditions, that we have output f which is also equal to low. We can draw it like this: x is like this, sorry, I x is 0, y is 0, then output is also 0. On the another hand, if x equal to 0 and y equal to 1, so for example, here our x equal to 0, okay, now take it 0 and y equal to 1. Here this is the 1 and this is equal to 0, then we will have output equal to 1. So on the another hand, we can say that when y equal to 0 and x equal to 1, we have the result comes out equal to 0, means of that we have 0 null signal. Only one conditions: when all the inputs are high levels, we will have high level output or we have ones. So this is the basic operation of a AND gate. Like in similar, we can use another operator and get OR gate. So what is the OR gate? In OR gate, we have two input x and y. It may be more than 2, 3, 4, 5 as we require, but output always equal to one side, may be 1 or 0. So this is the truth table for the two input in OR gate. X and y are the input and f is our output. So here we can see that very clearly that when x and y both are the 0 levels, we have f equal to 0. When x equal to 0 and y equal to 1, then f equal to 1. The means of that, when our x, this signal equal to 0 and y equal to 1, we have 1, means of that high switch or high pulse of 5 volt. And like versa, if y equal to 0 and x equal to 1 or high, then we will have output high, and when both are the high, we will get high in our output at terminal f. So like this is the truth table of our OR gate. Now inverter gate is called also NOT gate. Here only the one input and one output comes. This is the symbol of a NOT gate, and it is shown as by prime signal on X. So it is just reverse. If we have input 0, then output will be 1, or we have 1, so input then at F we will get 0 or low. This is the buffer, which is not a basic less. So these are our fundamental gate, and or and NOT gate or inverter gate. The buffer is nothing but a gate. Is like a just it gives its real value 0 for 0 and 1 for 1. Now the another is NAND or NOR gate. Now what is the NAND gate? NAND gate is the nothing but not of AND gate. Here we can see a symbol that X into Y prime. Here X and Y first we get AND gate, and after the processing result we will apply NOT operator. So here we can say that when X equal to 0, Y equal to 0. In AND gate, when X equal to 0, Y equal to 0, we have equal to 0 output. So output is 0, then what is the NOT of 0? 1. So here we can see that in AND gate, when X 0, Y 0, F equal to 1. On the other hand, when this is X 0, Y 1, we have 0. So here we can see the 0, the in our top 0 equal to 1, 1. In this case, when X and Y both are the 1, so out of AND gate result we have 1s, the invert of AND 1 equal to 0. So here we can say that output equal to 0. Like this is the NOR gate. The NOR gate is nothing more than a NOT gate operator after a NOR gate. So here we can see the equations F equal to X plus Y, or it must be read as X or Y, and after that we apply a NOT gate. So here only one condition is 1, another all the else are 0, 0. The conclusion of this we can say that in the NOR gate output only be 1 when all inputs are 0 or low level. Thanks. In okay, here one and another is exclusive gate, or this is also a type of gate, exclusive gate and exclusive NOR gate. This is in this case, these are the two types. Here we can see that when the same states are comes, then output equal to 0, another it's always equal to 1. This is the symbol of exclusive OR gate. Like this we have exclusive NOR gate. Here we can see that, and it is the just invert of XOR gate. Thank you very much.